Hi, my name's Rob Yates, Conservatory Solutions, and this is our last solid tiled roof installation for 2022. Let me show you around. Here is the original conservatory with a polycarbonate roof. This solid tiled roof installation required a design change to achieve the minimum 15-degree pitch for tiles. As we enter the new garden room extension, you will see we have created a tapered triangle on top of the original frames to both sides. These are insulated and boarded, as you can see. We only completed the plastering the previous day, so it hasn't dried out just yet. We often install roof windows for additional light into the building control approved roofs. These roofs are approximately 250mm in thickness compared to 25mm glass or polycarbonate. Therefore, a new solid tiled roof is many times more energy efficient. If you would like a quotation, then please get in touch. We also offer an online quotation service to make life easier. Make your next winter nice and cosy.